Hi everybody, it's Miss Jackson here. I hope you're all well and staying safe. I've really been enjoying watching all of the Franche family challenges that you've been doing. You've been doing an excellent job. Today's challenge is slightly different and I hope you're feeling super creative. Today, I'd like you to have a go at origami. Origami is the art of paper folding.
Here's an example of some paper folding to make a monster bookmark.
Your challenge today is to use paper to create anything you want. You can create a masterpiece for me and share it. Please make sure you check in at 6 p.m. tonight to find out all about my masterpiece and to share a bedtime story. I hope you're ready to be a work hard whiz today. I certainly am. I better get to it. See you all soon. Bye.